Highline International is an American management company. By saying that, it's important to mention that our pure lines are based in Iowa, in the United States. And from there, it's quite easy to understand. From two pure lines, we produce what we call a grandparent. And from the grandparent, we produce the parent stock. And from there, of course, the second generation would be the commercial chick or the egg producer to produce table eggs. So what we do around the world, mostly our business model is to sell this parent stock to our distributors around the world, which nowadays are more than 125. We also have our own companies with grandparent stock that we use to supply parents into the region in places like Brazil, South Africa, UK, China, Australia, and Japan. Back into Iowa and into our breeding program, it's very important to mention that all our selection is based in, as the name indicates, as a selection. So we don't manipulate any gene or anything like that. It's basically and purely a process that goes on in our research farm, which we have in Iowa, as I said, basically by selecting the best individuals between a family. So we also use a molecular lab and an egg quality lab where we define exactly which individual has the best genes or the best traits based on their production. So we keep record on all this production, and between a family, we choose the best members and use them to produce the next generation. So this is what we try to do, and I guess very successfully, because nowadays Highline International has around 46% of the world market share in the world, which means that out of 100 eggs, every 46 eggs out of 100 eggs, as I said, are Highline International, out of 5 to 6 companies doing the same type of job. So we like to think that we are very successful on our jobs.